decrease was sharper than intended, and it brought about unintended consequences.
Canada's Auditor General says the federal government's goal of slashing the number of international students may have gone too far. For BC, the decrease in international student study permits was supposed to be 18%. The actual decrease, 66% in 2024.
They used a hammer instead of a scalpel on this one.
A researcher in international student policy says colleges and universities have lost a key source of revenue. International students pay up to 3 times more for tuition than Canadian students.
It's not a surprise because in the sector we've known that the numbers have completely collapsed. And this is a big part of why we're seeing such a financial crisis, especially in smaller institutions.
Some post-secondary schools have been forced to make painful cuts.
There's impact to faculty and staff members who are losing their jobs through layoff. There's impact to local students whose programs are being closed.
BC's jobs minister says the province wants more control over who comes here.
We believe we need an immigration system that gives people pathways to become citizens.
The Auditor General also found that the immigration system cannot keep up with the demand for student visa investigations. For example, checking to make sure students are attending the schools that accepted them. The report found 150,000 cases were flagged between 2023 and 2024, but just 4,000 investigations were launched. Canada's immigration minister says they're working to fill the gaps.
We will be information sharing with CBSA of any students that are not compliant.
The BC government did order an independent review into post-secondary schools to look at the financial pressures they face with fewer international students. That report is expected to be delivered at the end of the month.